Hey, this tutorial is just to show you quick how to do a bibliography in a wiki. First of all, just make sure that you're logged in, and in this case I am. You'll see your name on the far left, and you'll see log out on the right. That'll tell you you're in. Now remember, read shows you what it looks like. Edit is where you work. So I want to get to my page that I'm working on, my article, hit edit, and now I'm in. Now bibliography obviously goes at the end of a document. So I scroll down here to the editing section. I'm going to give one space. And this really is a two-step process. The first is to put the title bibliography as a heading. So to do that, I get into this part, get it down there. Now I'm going to hit this big A right here, and that is going to instantly put a line right there. Now notice the cursor's missing, but that doesn't matter. Whatever I type is going to be on that header. So here, I'm just instantly going to type bibliography. Okay, and then now let's show preview. Now remember, when you hit show preview, that doesn't save it, but it just shows you what it'll look like. So here you can see the title in title format with the line under it, bibliography. Now I want to enter my information below. Here is where this is going to be different than a typical bibliography. First thing you want to do is get at the end of all that code and enter down. And what I suggest you do is have your bibliography pre-done like this, Turabian format, except what you need to do in this case, and this is just an old bibliography I pulled up, is you can't enter it on two separate lines. You want it to be all one flowing text, otherwise it'll look awkward. And I'll show you the difference. Here, it's as if I typed and the text flew into the second line. It's not that I typed it, hit enter, indented. That will show up very funny. So make sure that you have flowing text. So the best way to do is go to the end there if you have a normal bibliography and just bring it back in. And obviously this isn't in Turabian, but you would do it in Turabian format. Let me show you just some examples of when you copy and paste it. So I copy it. I'm down here in the cursor below. I'm going to paste it right in there. So here's the ones that flow without any enter. I haven't hit return at the end here. And here's an example of one that I did hit return. I'm just going to put that there so you can see how it doesn't work with it. Let's look at it. Show preview. Again, this doesn't save it. You're going to have to make sure you save it in order for it to be permanent, but let's see what it looks like. Scroll down. And there you have the bibliography information for two books without me hitting return or enter at the end, versus the one that I did. The one that I did, it has the text nice here, and do that. So if you're getting frustrated and seeing it constantly print out like this bottom one here, the reason is you have to remove the space and the enter or the return after. Otherwise, standard bibliography information, just Turabian format. This obviously is not in Turabian right here, right now, but Turabian format with no enter, and that is how you do a bibliography.